Weekend Gardener here with Evie.
Hi.
And we're back at it again with another taste test.
Weird.
This one. You know what this is?
No.
You know what this is called?
No.
This is called a star apple.
Star apple?
Mm-hmm.
Don't smell nothing.
No smell?
Mm.
So the outside is like real squishy.
Exactly.
So that makes me think that is sweet when it's squishy like that. But we'll see. Hey. We're filming.
Let's go.
I've never had this before. I've never even heard of it.
I never saw this before in my entire life.
So when I saw it in the store, I said, "Ooh, this is different."
Yeah, babe.
Did you cut all the way through?
Look like alien. Isn't that beautiful? It smells good.
Smells good.
Yeah.
It almost looked like a Lashia.
Yes. But lychee is more, of course. Yeah, let's taste.
Yipes. What does it smell like?
It smells like yeah, but it smells a little apple mixed with lychee.
Maybe it's a star smelling like an apple.
Star?
No, it don't smell like Lashia. It almost smells like
a little lychee. Far away lychee.
One more bite so I can tell. It's always that second bite.
The texture is not. It's not good.
Yeah, see, yeah.
Something weird when you eat.
So what's your number? The first bite looked like a 9.
My number is 5 because it's sweet. I love sweet fruits. And just the texture to eat is weird.
What's wrong with the texture?
I don't know. It looks like you are eating borracha.
Borracha?
Yeah. Rubber.
Oh, rubber?
Rubber.
So it's chewy?
Yes.
Borracha, another word for rubber. It almost tastes. My first instincts think it's like milky, but not milk taste, but milky. If it was a texture, milky.
Milky. Let's see.
I do taste a little sweetness. What do the seeds look like?
The seeds.
We definitely need to figure out where this came from. But you said your number was a what?
Is what?
You said a 5?
Yeah, 5. This part is better. This part in the middle, if you eat alone, looks like lychee. Try.
All right, cut me a piece.
But the seeds.
So more towards the rind is not bad. I mean, it's not good.
Exactly.
You know the rind with the purple? Because it's kind of purple inside also.
Yes. The purple is have a weird taste. It's better, right?
That part's better.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah, I would have to give this a 5 also. If I saw it in the store again, I wouldn't buy this. I wouldn't buy it.
Nah.
I would buy the tree if it was free.
Buy a free tree.
Yeah, you know, just to have in the yard just because it's a nice looking fruit. But that's a no for me. I'm done.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, that was a waste. That was a waste of time. See you on the next one.
Bye.